Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we have started doing transitive and intransitive verb. So let's continue with the same one, transitive and intransitive. Yesterday I explained these verbs in detail, that what are transitive and what are intransitive. I told you yesterday that transitive verbs are those verbs which have object. First of all, you have to find out verb. When verb passes to an object, it is called transitive verb. Okay, for example, I gave you a ball. So gave here is a verb. Okay, what did I give you? What did I give you? I give you a ball. So ball will be object. What did I give you? I gave you a ball. Ball is a object. So when you are able to find out object, it will be transitive verb. Okay. I ate an apple. Ate here is a verb. And an apple is what? Tell me, type in chat box. Type in chat box, yes. So an apple will be your object. So when verb passes to an object, so an apple is given, so it will be what? It will be transitive verb. Am I clear? Look at this example. Look at this example. When verb is given, when object is given, it will be transitive verb. So now I'm going to move further. She ate on time. She ate on time. So she ate. Ate is what here? Type in chat box. Ate is what here? Ate is verb. And any object is given or not? Any object is given or not? No object is given. Here you are not able to find out any of the object. So what verb it will be? It will be intransitive. It will be intransitive verb. Clear? Clear? The bird flew hurriedly. The bird flew hurriedly. So flew here is what? Flew here is verb. Flew here is a verb. And hurriedly it is used as an adverb. So do you think any object is given? Do you think any object is given? The bird flew hurriedly. Any object is given or not? Any object is given or not? Yes, no object is given. So flew here is a verb. Okay, so it will be which verb? Intransitive verb. It will be intransitive verb. Clear? Now let's do exercise. All of you take out your grammar books. Take out your grammar books. Page number 77, exercise 8. Page number 77, Exercise A. See, today your syllabus will be over and from Monday onwards we will start revision. Clear? Today that is the last topic that we are going to do of grammar. Clear, bache? Now all of you be attentive. You have to keep your cameras on also in between because I can ask these answers from any of the child. So you all should be attentive in my class. Clear? So first is the soldiers fought the enemy. 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 So fought here is what? It is verb. Fought here is a verb. And the enemy will be? The enemy will be? Yes. I can ask this answer from any of the child. Get ready. Okay. Mayank, you tell me this answer. Yes, Mayank. You tell me this answer, Mayank. Hurry up, unmute yourself and speak this answer. Unmute yourself and tell me this answer, Mayank. See, this answer is so simple, but they are not able to tell. Guneet, you tell me. Guneet, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me this.
Ma'am, the enemy is the object.
Very good. The enemy is a object. So which verb it will be?
Transitive.
Very good. Very good, Guneet. It will be transitive verb. Okay. Now let's take second example. You all should be attentive in class. So you all should be attentive in class. Second is the gunshot killed the man. The gunshot killed the man. So what will be transitive verb? Sorry, what will be verb here? And what will be object? Okay, Akshita, you tell me this answer. Akshita, tell me this answer. What is verb here?
Ma'am.
Yes, bache, what is verb
Ma'am,
here?
killed is verb.
Yes, very good. And the man is a?
Ma'am, the man, object.
Object. And what is that? It is which verb? It is which verb? Transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, transitive.
Yes, it is transitive. Good. Very good. Now next we have is Garvit, you should be ready now with your answer. Garvit, you should be ready with third. Start solving it. Third. The soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. Tell me, start solving. Now tell me the soldiers fought bravely. What will be its answer? Garvit, you tell me this answer. Yes, Garvit. Try to solve it. What is verb here? What is verb here? Garvit, shall I mark you absent if you are not telling me the answer? Garvit, if you are not able to unmute, you can type in chat box.
Ma'am, fourth verb.
Okay, tell me. Yes, fought is a verb. Very good. And which verb is this? Which verb
Ma'am,
is?
transitive.
Huh?
Ma'am, transitive.
It is transitive. Okay, now keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Okay, bache. You are saying what is that?
Ma'am, intransitive.
Why it is intransitive? You have spoken. Fought is a verb. Okay, your correct answer is correct. So which verb is this? Transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, intransitive.
Why it is intransitive? Your
Ma'am,
answer
because
is right.
object is not there.
Why so?
Ma'am, because object is not there.
Yes, very good. Because object is not given. Very good, Garvit. Very good. Keep it up. You have to answer like this. Okay. Thank you, bache. Good. Now, next we have fourth sentence. Fourth sentence we have is Zohra drove the car. Zohra drove the car. You all should be attentive. Any of the child can be asked to give me the answer. Hurry up. Get ready with this answer. Now I expect this answer from Hargunpreet Singh. Hargunpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache. Tell me what is verb here?
Ma'am, drove.
Wait. Wait. Hargunpreet, where is he? Hargun, just raise your hand. Hargunpreet, yes, I found you. Now, yes, Hargun, tell me what is verb here? What is verb here? Zohra drove the car. What is verb here? Hargun, what is verb here?
Yes,
Yes, drove. Drove is verb. And the car is what?
no object.
Object. So you are able to find out verb also, object also. So what is that? Transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, transitive.
Very good. It is transitive verb. So concept is clear. So like that, all of you should be attentive in my class. I can ask any of the student to solve it. So you have to tell me the answer like this. Very good, Hargunpreet. Very nice. Keep participating like this. Now next we have is he laughed heartily. He laughed heartily. He laughed heartily. So this answer I expect from Ashima. Yes, Ashima, you tell me this answer. Tell me what is verb here? He laughed heartily. Yes, Ashima. Ashima, tell me what is verb here? Ashima, otherwise I will mark you absent if you don't give me the answer. Unmute yourself, hurry up. Ashima, if you are not able to unmute yourself, you can text me. You can type in chat box. It is a one-word answer. It means Ashiva is inattentive child of my class. She is not there in class. Ashima, I will talk to you later. During recess, I will talk to you. That's really bad. Okay, Jasleen, you tell me. Jasleen, you tell me same answer. Yes, Jasleen. Tell me what is verb here. He laughed heartily. Jasleen, you can type in chat box if your mic is not working. Type in chat box. Type in chat box if yes. Your answer is right, Jasleen. Laughed is verb. And tell me which verb it will be. Type in chat box. Your answer is right. Tell me what verb it will be. Yes, very good, Jasleen. It will be intransitive verb. But it is a one-word answer. If you are not able to unmute yourself, you can type in chat box. But some students, those who make lame excuses, they will be caught. Okay, now we have 6th question. 6th we have is the horn blew loudly. So all of you solve it. The horn blew loudly. The horn blew loudly. Okay, Lakshay, you tell me this answer. Lakshay Kochar, you tell me this answer. Now Lakshay has gone somewhere. Otherwise, he is always
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Tell me this answer.
Yes.
The horn
Yes,
blew loudly.
Ma'am, blue is verb.
Blew is verb. And which verb is this? Transitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
Yes, intransitive. Keep yourself mute. So it is intransitive word. So you can check your answer 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th that we have discussed in class. Now I'm going to write down 7th. So get ready with 7th. All of you should be attentive in my class. Solve 7th sentence. He killed the tiger. He killed the tiger. He killed the tiger. He killed the tiger. So this answer I expect from, okay, Ritisha, you tell me.
Ma'am, killed is verb and tiger and the tiger is object. So
Can
it
you
is
show me your face?
transitive.
Can you show me your face?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak again. Killed is
And the verb
verb. Okay,
and the tiger is object.
object. And which verb will be this?
Ma'am, transitive.
Yes, very good. It will be transitive verb. Now all of you get ready with 8th. 8th we have the moon shines dimly. The moon shines dimly. So this answer I expect from Mitul. Mitul, you tell me this answer. Yes, Mitul. Unmute yourself and tell me this answer, बच्चे. Mitul, tell me the moon shines dimly. What will be its answer? Mitul. Mitul, why are you not responding in my class? You are a very good student. What happened? If you are not able to unmute yourself, you can type in chat box. No reply. That's really strange. So now afterwards, Saksham Sharma, you tell me this answer. Saksham Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
The moon shines dimly. What is
Moon
shines?
shines. Ma'am, verb.
Okay, shines here is a verb. And what verb will be this? Transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, intransitive.
Very good. It will be intransitive. Saksham, you show me your face. Show me your face. Okay. You know why I'm telling you to show me your face? So that I can recognize you. I can learn your names also. Okay. Now, ninth we have the plants grew in the greenhouse. The plants grew in the greenhouse. The plants grew in the greenhouse. Now this answer I expect from today. Ravya Gabba is not in class. Where is Ravya Gabba? She is not present today. Okay, Rihanika, you tell me this answer. Rihanika, you tell me this answer. The plants grew in the greenhouse. Rihanika, I will mark you absent if you don't give me the answer. Hurry up. Rihanika. See, it means these students, they have kept their cameras on. Sorry, they have kept their mobiles on. They have logged in the class. Laptops are on. Mobiles are on, but they are not in the class physically. Rihanika, isn't it? If you are not able to unmute yourself, you can type in chat box. At least I will come to know that you are attentively listening to my lecture. Rihanika, I'm going to mark you absent because you are not responding at all. So Rihanika will be marked absent today in my class. Akshita, you tell me this answer. Yes, Akshita. Tell me this answer. The plants grew in the greenhouse. What is verb?
Grew is verb.
Okay, very good. Grew is verb. And which verb is this?
Ma'am, the greenhouse is the object.
In the greenhouse is what?
Ma'am, the greenhouse is the object.
No, because it is not giving the answer of what. It is not passing to object, because in the greenhouse is location. Where did the plants grow? So it is giving the answer of question where. It is not giving the answer of what. So the plants grew in the greenhouse. Where did the plants grow? The plants grew in the greenhouse. The plants grew in the greenhouse. So which verb it will be? Bache, green.
Intransitive.
Yes, greenhouse is not your object. It is not passing. It is telling only about place, location. So it will be intransitive verb. It will be intransitive verb. So Rihanika is back or not? Rihanika, it means see, we have a solid proof. It means she is not listening to us at all. Rihanika, 7th B, roll number 35. I will talk to you later on. So now Tanya Sood, you should be ready with your answer. Tanya Sood, you should be ready with your answer. I'm going to write down 10th. 10th is birds fly in the air. Birds fly in the air. Now tell me what is verb here.
Ma'am, fly.
Okay, very good. Fly is a verb. So which verb is this? Transitive or intransitive?
Ma'am, intransitive.
Why it is intransitive?
Ma'am, because there is no object.
Very good. Because there is no object. Very good. Tanya Sood, show me your face. Okay. Good. Very good. So this concept is clear. We are able to solve these 10 sentences, and all the students who have told me these answers, they have told explanation also that why it is transitive and why it is intransitive. See why I was asking you again and again the explanation, so that you should be sure that why, what is the reason behind that. Why it is transitive? Because there is object. Verb is passing an object, and it is also giving the answer of what. When these conditions are fulfilled, it will be in the category of transitive. And when object is given, when no object is given, verb is given, but verb is not passing to any object, and it is not giving the answer of what question, then it will be intransitive verb. So you can check your answers of page number 77 from book. Okay. Now we are going to do next topic, that is direct object and indirect object. Now you have come to know that verb passes an object. Now you should keep this thing in your mind, that object further has two kinds. First is direct object, and next we have indirect object. Now how will you make difference between that it is direct object and it is indirect object? Write down the explanation carefully. The direct object is the one that receives the action. It receives the action. For example, I gave you a chalk. What did I give you? What did you receive? A chalk. So here a chalk will be object, you know, but it will be direct object or indirect object. It will be direct object, because gave here is a verb, and verb is giving, producing an action. It is giving an object, it is passing an object. So what object is past? It is chalk. So it is directly passing the object. It is passing the object directly. So a chalk will be your direct object. Okay. So it is also giving the answer of what question? What? What did I give you? I gave you a chalk. Okay. But indirect gives the answer of to whom. To whom the object is passed. To whom the object is passed. For example, I gave you a chalk. I'm taking same example. I gave you a chalk. To whom did I give a chalk? To whom did I give a chalk? Answer will be, so it is giving the answer of what question? Whom? So which object will be this? It will be indirect object. Clear? So on the basis of that, you will be doing page number 78, exercise B. Page number 78, exercise B. You have to find out direct object as well as indirect object. So keep this explanation in your mind before doing this exercise. Okay. This exercise is very simple. You will be able to do. Now today our syllabus is over and from Monday we are going to start revision. We will do revision first of all of writing skills, then literature and side-by-side grammar will be going on. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.